The verse for Blackbird is going to involve the first part of the verse is just a repeat of the intro, so we get 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2E and 3 and 4E and now the same shape we're on right here, which is a 10th shape, a major 10th shape. We've got a G in the bass and a B, the third of the chord, on the top here. We're going to move that down and anchor it on a C. So now we're on the 3rd fret of the A string, and we get a C chord. This is where things get a little funky. We need a C sharp in the bass and a G natural on the top. So I am playing C sharp with my ring finger on the A string and G natural with my middle finger on the E string. So I'm reaching to that outside string now with my picking hand. And the reason I use a ring in the middle is because then I can leave these two in place. So I get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and your other option is to kind of flip-flop through that. So you could go move the middle finger to the bass and the index down to the melody on the high string. Then we're back to the first shape, but based on the 5th fret, which is a D chord. And then you could use your middle finger on the 6th fret of your A string. Index moves up to the 5th fret of the 1st string. So it's the same pattern, same fingering pattern twice. It's a sequence. So we get, and then we go to D and do the same thing. Now the whole thing's going to resolve on an E minor. So it's a 10th shape, but instead of having the gap between them and being a major shape, it's minor. And then this one, the bass note moves back by a half step, so it becomes an E flat. Now we move down to that D. And here's your C. Now it goes from the C minor down to a G over B chord, to basically an A7 chord. Kind of a D7 suspended, so our thumb's going to pick the 4th string now. And then we resolve to the G chord. And then we put the tag on it, on the first ending, on the first verse. So it gets a C, straight to G over B, to A7, to the D7 suspended, resolving to your G. So if I play the intro and the first verse in time, it sounds like this.